This 52-inch generic Devil Eyes light stretches across the windshield to create a bold, continuous accent that really stands out on larger vehicles. The flexible strip design makes it easy to contour along curved glass or body lines, so installation feels straightforward even if you are not an expert installer. High-quality light-emitting diode beads deliver bright, colorful animations that remain clearly visible in daylight, giving your car or truck a distinctive personality on the road. The unit draws power through a universal USB-style connection, which simplifies wiring and works well with many modern vehicle power setups and accessories. Its construction is engineered to resist dust, moisture, and vibration, so the light keeps performing reliably even in demanding weather and long-haul driving conditions. Overall, this Devil Eyes light is a fun and durable upgrade for drivers who want a dramatic, customizable lighting effect without a complicated installation process.